Role Play 30, discussion about traveling by bus.
Fazal wants to go to Kanpur to buy something. He wants to travel by bus. He goes to the bus stop and asks about the bus from a person. They talk as follows.
I have to go to Kanpur. Can you tell me at what time the bus leaves for Kanpur?
A bus leaves from here for Kanpur at 7 a.m. You can catch it.
Okay, I will catch that bus, but I want to know the departure time of the bus.
Yes, this bus leaves daily at 7:30 in the morning.
Well, so will this bus go directly to Kanpur or will I need to change?
No. This bus directly goes to Kanpur. You won't need to change on the way.
Okay, how many kilometers is Kanpur away from here?
Kanpur is nearly 120 kilometers away from here.
Okay, within how many times will I reach there?
Yes, brother, you will reach there in 3 to 4 hours.
Okay, where should I book the ticket?
Look there is the counter.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Fazal goes to the counter and buys the ticket. The ticket collector and Fazal talk as follows.
Hello, sir. I want a ticket for Kanpur.
How many people are you?
I am alone, so I want only one ticket.
Okay, give me 250 INR.
Here it is, sir.
Where will you get down in Kanpur?
I will get down near Shadra Mill in Kanpur,
Where is this?
near City Hospital.
Okay. I understood.
Yes.
Okay, here take your ticket, check it, and ride on the bus.
Thank you, sir. Do you have any idea about at what time the bus will reach Kanpur?
The bus will reach at 11 a.m.
Does the bus stop at any dhaba or tea shop?
Yes, it stops at Baba Kadaba.
Okay. And for how long does it stop there?
It stops there for 20 minutes only.
That is good.
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Now I am going to start my journey, sir.
okay, have a safe journey.